Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit the countdown room for your webinar. To start, let's log into your event account. Once you're logged in, let's open the timeline that you want to edit the countdown timer for. From here, click on Event Info from the left-hand side. Scroll down, and here you will see where you can enable and edit the countdown room. Click on the Edit button to the right. Here you'll see the things that you can edit for your webinar's countdown room. Let's start with the countdown room's background. You'll see here that you can edit the background's color, or you can put in an image for the background. To change the background color, click on this box and select the color that you prefer for the countdown room's background. If you select none, the background color is by default set to white. If you select image, you have to select the image that you want. Once you're satisfied, click on Update Settings. Let's go back and edit the headline. From here, you can edit the text for the headline. You can also change its alignment. You set it to align to the left, to the right, or in the center. You can also set it to justified. You can also change the headline's font. There are a lot of fonts you can choose from. Let's set it to this font. You can also change the font weight, either set it to bold or normal. For the font size, just type in the size you want it set to. You can also put in a background color for the headline to make it pop. Here, you can also set the padding for your headline. If you don't want any, just leave the value set to 0. Otherwise, please indicate the value on each of the boxes. Once satisfied, don't forget to click on Update Settings. For the sub-headline, you can edit it the same as the headline. You can set the text, change the alignment, set the font family, the font weight, the font size, the font color, the background color of the sub-headline, and also set the padding. The same with the timer text. You can set the text like "This webinar starts in." You can change the alignment, the font family, font weight, font size, font color, its background color, and the padding as well. For the pre-webinar media, you can set it to either to audio or video. Select the corresponding media file for the media type you prefer. Click on Update Settings at the bottom. For the countdown timer, you can set the duration. The maximum you can set it to is 30 minutes. You can also choose the element to adjust, either the period setting or the timer setting. And then, like all the others, you can set the font family, font weight, font size, font color, and background color. Once satisfied, click on Update Settings. Let's click on Back. Make sure that you click on Save Settings to save all your changes. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.